everyone, this is Fred from 4x4 Shop. Today we install our 10.25 inch Android 8.1 version with 2 gig RAM and 32 gig hard in a BMW 320, and we add backup camera to it. And this is another BMW, which is BMW X1, and it came with the factory screen and just it missed the camera, so we add the camera, and also we did the 10.25 inch screen. If you're interested to get these type of screens, you can give us a call at 905-6044-294, or you can buy them online at 4x4shop.ca.